Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. We got packages. All right, so we are going to open these packages up together, per usual. You know how we do here. I ordered a pair of Yeezy Boost 350, a pair of Yeezy Slides, and a pair of Skim Boxers. There's a bunch of Jordan releases coming up that I want. A bunch in March, like for sure buying. March, April, minimal, but some. April, same. May, a bunch. So I figured that since I've been wanting to add Yeezys to my collection for like a long time, let me take a break on Jordans. And that paycheck, instead of buying Jordans, I bought the Yeezy Slides and the Yeezy Boost 350. Today, the Yeezy Slides came and the Skim Boxers came. Tomorrow, the Yeezy Boost will come. So we're going to do an unboxing and a try-on with these two. And then tomorrow, I'll do an unboxing and try-on with the Yeezy Boost 3. So these are the Skims waffle knit boxer. Here's the tag. I got a size small waffle boxer in the color stone. Super cute. So cute. Love. By the way, I got them $15 brand new with tags on them. On Poshmark. Y'all are sleeping on Poshmark and Macari. I've been buying off there and selling on there for years. I also do Depop as well. That's another good brand or another good company to use for selling and buying. Everything I buy is literally brand new condition. I just didn't go get it at the store. And then you save some money. Packaged to this very well. Like, the box they use is kind of an expensive box. I don't ship in this personally because it's expensive, but it's very professional looking. The color Bone, and because it is the before 2023 release, the sizing is small, and it's men's. So I got an 8 in men's because I would normally be a 7 in men's. It's out like a drawer. I love these. These are gonna be my new babies. Oh, tags. Damn near brand new.